In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Wix page, a handy skill that can save you time while building or modifying your website. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Wix website editor. This is the main hub where you'll be making all your changes. You can access the editor by logging into your Wix account and selecting the site you wish to edit from the Wix dashboard. Once you're in the editor, you'll notice a sleek, user-friendly interface where you can see your website's design layout in the middle of your screen, surrounded by various editing options. Next, direct your attention to the top menu bar and locate the option that says My Site. Click on it to trigger a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find several actions you can take. Your focus here should be on the button labeled Duplicate Site. This is your gateway to making a complete copy of your current site, which can be incredibly useful if you want to create a backup or start a new project with a similar layout and content. Upon clicking Duplicate Site, Wix will automatically suggest a new name for your duplicated site, typically appending something like box copy to the end of your original site name. It's a good idea to stick with this naming convention initially, as it helps keep your projects organized, especially if you plan to duplicate multiple sites. If you feel the need to change the name to something more specific or relevant, you can always rename it later directly in the dashboard. After you've confirmed the name for your duplicated site, you'll see a duplicate button on your screen. Go ahead and click this button to set the duplication process in motion. The replication usually doesn't take long, but this duration can depend on the size and complexity of your original site. Sit tight for a moment while Wix works its magic. Once the duplication is complete, a prompt will appear on your screen with an invitation to check it out. This is your chance to review the replicated site to ensure everything has transferred over smoothly, from text and images to any custom coding you've done. It's like giving your duplicated site a little quality check before you possibly add or make further changes. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully duplicated a Wix page. Feel free to experiment and make alterations to your new site without any fear of impacting your original. Duplicating pages can be a great way to manage site versions or launch similar projects, adding efficiency to your web management practices. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.